Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm just going to talk about some of the blocks that you just need to be careful with when you are creating your forex robots in FXDREEMA. Some of the blocks for signals that you just need to be careful with when you're creating your robots using the free EA builder that we use, which is FXDREEMA. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Like this video, it shows me whether you like the content or whether I should continue going on. You know what to do on this channel. I'm basically here to try and show you how you can create your own forex robots without learning any coding, without paying somebody to do it for you. You can basically, if you have a mechanical trading strategy, you can basically turn it into a forex robot yourself using these EA builders that I've been using. So go ahead and subscribe and like the video. If you are looking for a broker, many people also asking about the broker that I use. The link is in the description box below. They are one of the best brokers in the world, award winning. I've been with them for more than 5 years now, and I've not had any problem with them regarding deposits and withdrawals. So if you're looking for a broker, for $5 you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test the robots that we're making on this channel, as well as your other strategies and things like that, without putting too much capital on the line. So go ahead and sign up with them. The link is in the description box below. So going back to our topic, so if you go onto your FXDREEMA, uh, the good thing about FXDREEMA is you can create your robots simply by dragging and dropping things into your board. There, I'm just doing this randomly. I'm not doing this in any order. So you basically just drag in your conditions and your whatever, and you just link everything together. You double click and you go in there and you change whatever you want to change and you update. That's all that you need to create a robot. You don't need to learn any MQL4 or MQL5 coding language to create a robot. So what they did, the guy who created this EA builder, by the way, he did a brilliant job doing this, because for non-coders, for people who are not interested in coding and things like that, you can simply do your own robots. So he created various blocks that you can use to create the robots, and definitely feel free to test all these things. Trust me, all that I've been showing you with the past videos is just scratching the surface. There's a lot that you can do with these blocks, especially if you actually subscribe, like paid subscription. The free subscription only allows for about 10 blocks to be used when creating robots, and it's only available for MetaTrader 4. But if you pay the subscription, you actually get access to create robots for MetaTrader 5, and you can use as many blocks as you want, and you can even convert robots from MT4 to MT5 and things like that. So they did provide all these things that you can use. My goal with this channel obviously is just give you hints on the direction that you need to take to create your own robots. That's why I don't get into like the deeper things like variables, like constants and things like that. I just try to keep everything simple, just to give you an idea, to spark that idea of what you might need to do to get to where you want to be. Then I leave everything else up to you to do that, because we all have different strategies and things like that. Anyway, so today I'm going to talk about this section which says various signals. Here, when you come to this section, there are a lot of pre-built signals that you can use to create your own forex robots. They are pre-built here to create your own forex robots. So what you'll find is we have the MACD divergence. There it's a signal that you can simply use to create forex robots. We've got the impulse up, we've got time bomb, we've got new top-in trend. You can use all these as signals to just what, to quickly create a robot. But you must actually use this section with caution. That's the word from the guy who developed this platform. You find, because I'm also in the forums, where he sometimes pops in to give ideas and feedback on people's questions when they're asking about particular blocks and things like that. So as a word of caution, he has always said that, for example, stay away from time bomb, unless you just want to test it out. Impulse down, impulse up, MACD divergence. Bears in a row, he hasn't said anything about it that I found. Bear candle, he hasn't said anything that I found. But definitely MACD, impulse up, impulse down, time bomb, time up, time bomb down, new top in trend, new bottom in trend, round numbers detector. He said you can use these things at your own discretion, at your own risk, because he's not even sure if these things still work. That's what he says. He's not even sure himself if these things still work, because he developed these things a long time ago and they have not yet been maintained. They've not been maintained for several years. So he doesn't even know whether they still work or they don't. So if you're going to create your own robot with these conditions, with these various signals here, just be mindful of that you need to back test these things before you give that particular robot or your cash, because even the developer of this platform is not sure if they still work like he intended many years ago. So I just thought, let me put it out there, in case people use these signals and they encounter problems and they are like, what's going on here, what's happening here? No, just use these at your own risk, at your own discretion. Even the guy who is behind this platform, he admits that he has not maintained these particular blocks in so many years. Okay, like the video, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to come and answer your questions. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.